How to delete multiple messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Here, tap on Select Messages. You can now select the messages you want to delete from here. After selecting, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted these messages. You can also tap on Delete and report junk instead. If you report as junk, then the conversations will be sent to Apple. Following these steps, you can easily delete multiple messages on iPhone.